Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna share with you how to make this beautiful gingerbread snowflake wreath. It's been on to-do list for so many years and I'm so excited to share it with you guys today. I'm also teaming up with Sweet Ems in Winter Wonderland collaboration. Amber is sharing on her YouTube channel how to make this beautiful Winter Wonderland cookie scene. You can check out her tutorial, link is in the description box under the video. And now let's get started with this snowflake wreath. I'm going to be using different shapes of snowflake cookie cutters to make the cookies, and I'm icing the cookies with 15-second consistency royal icing, letting it dry. On some of the cookies I'm also going to brush a thin layer of royal icing and let those dry. Another design we're going to make is the pine needle design. So I'm going to make a bunch of pine needles using piping consistency royal icing, and we're gonna layer these on top of each other. Now, using about 25-second consistency, make the berries, and I'm going to dust them with edible jewel dust. For all the tools that I'm using today, you can check my blog post. Link to the blog post is going to be in the description box under the video. Another cute design, it's going to look almost like a flower. So we're gonna start with a center. Again, I'm using about 20-25-second consistency for the center. And I'm going to add a generous amount of jewel dust on the top so it shimmers nicely. And then to finish this design, I will be using piping consistency, making the loops like so. When making the wreath, you also need filler cookies. I usually make these a little smaller so they can fill in the areas where larger cookie wouldn't be fitting. So I'm making smaller snowflakes like this. And now we're gonna airbrush some of the cookies that we made in the beginning. I'm using pink airbrush food coloring, and I added a touch of sheen, or I'm not sure if it's called pearl airbrush food coloring, but it has a little shine to it. Almost like I guess they are metallic. So once you airbrush all your cookies, we're gonna finish these, the ones that we only brushed the icing on top, adding a sugar edge. And if you don't have so many different snowflake cookie cutter shapes, you can easily use stars. They're super pretty as well. To decorate the ring, I'm spreading a thin layer of ivory royal icing. And I love this technique. It's so fun and really easy. So take your needle tool or a toothpick and go ahead and make the pine needles. Make sure that you wipe the tip of the tool once in a while. And I'm gonna let that dry. So now we have all the snowflakes ready, and I'm just gonna use a little bit of royal icing for the glue. And here you have it, beautiful gingerbread snowflake wreath. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to check out Sweet Ems. Link to the video is in the description. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to share this video and give it a big thumbs up. I will see you next time.